about the other types of retail businesses we have. We have kiosk. A kiosk is a very small business unit. It's more like a shop, but smaller than a shop. Such retailer sells goods from different producers. They sell in small communities, especially in small communities. There are varieties. They sell to consumers that needs it at different points in time. And also we'll talk about mobile shops. Mobile shops are retail businesses that are done on the move. They are done on the move either through the use of bicycles, vans, lorries, cars, and the likes of it. And then let's talk about types of large-scale retailing. We have supermarkets. What is a supermarket? Supermarket is a self-servicing shop with large floor areas established in busy cities. They supply wide range of items like meat, beverages, clothes, accessories, and the likes of it. So what are the features of supermarkets? They stock wide range of products in big sizes, and also they are found mainly in urban areas. Supermarkets also encourage impulse buying. Also, they buy in bulk and sell in units to final consumers. So what are the advantages of trading in and buying things in supermarkets? In supermarket, there is no discrimination in terms of price because every product in a supermarket has a price tag. And also, there is large storage capacity. Customers can come in and buy almost everything they need in a supermarket. Also, there is self-service. They render self-service, which enables the business to experience a high rate of turnover. Then what are the disadvantages of supermarket as a large-scale retailing business? It can encourage thefts. Yes, because people self-service themselves. They pick commodities they need themselves without the help of any assistant. And as a result, some customers might decide to take properties that they do not want to pay for. Then also, supermarkets do not render credit services like small-scale retailers offer. And also, it requires huge capital in setting up such business. Then let's go to chain store or multiple store. Chain store or multiple store, they refer to the same thing. These are owned and controlled by a single firm which have several branches, and each branch has a branch manager. And such shops sell the same brand of goods but in different areas. And what are the advantages of such stores? They enable centralized advertisement. Then they sell single line of commodity. They employ labor on a large scale, and there is efficiency in satisfaction of consumers. Likewise, you can transfer stocks. And the disadvantage of multiple store is that there is slow decision making. Likewise, there is less personal relationship between the laborers and the final consumers. In the next video, we'll continue in the types of large-scale retail businesses.